Hello everyone and welcome to this Python programming course. So what is a Python programming? Well, Python programming is an interpreted high-level programming language. It is a general purpose programming language, which means you can use this language to develop any kind of application. And it is the most popular programming language in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, for scientific purpose, game development, and there are different areas this Python programming can be used. Here you can see in Wikipedia, you can see the definition. Python is an interpreted. So what do you mean by that? It means we need an interpreter, not a compiler. So interpreter languages are executed directly, line by line. So we need interpreter, and that interpreter will convert the program to the machine line by line, whereas compiler will convert the complete code in one shot. So there are some languages which are compiler based like C and C++. Python is an interpreted language. It's a high level language. So you can see with a very strong abstraction detail, and this is a general purpose programming language. Even you can create games, web development, or even you can create operating system using this language. This is the person behind this language. He's a Dutch programmer, and he developed Python in 1991. So here you can read this Wikipedia. Now interestingly, here you can see some other facts here. So it's a strong typing, and these are major implementation of this programming language. CPython for C programming, IronPython for .NET, JPython, this is for Java, MicroPython for microcontroller hardwares. So you can see so many options are there. And this language is highly influenced by this C, C++, Java, Modular, Perl, so many languages. Now Python influenced these languages. So Go is very famous language developed by Google, and this is influenced by Python. Even you can see Ruby, Swift, again very famous for Mac operating system. So this Wikipedia contains all the information. You can go through this. Now let's come to this official website of Python. This is the official website, python.org, and from here you can download Python, and you can see more detail of this language. Let's go to success stories. So this is used in education sector, engineering, business, government, software development, scientific. Python is a scientific language. So let's explore more and see here for simulation, for drug discovery, for marine system, weather forecasting, so many places this language is used. You can see this news. So you can explore this website. Even here you can see the latest jobs. So you can see all these latest job. You can explore this website.